Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, this is the US 100 trade signal I just sent into my VIP group, and this is the follow-up video to the last video I uploaded, the one prior to this, US 100 technical analysis. What I'm going to do in this video is explain why we took this trade. This is it here. Posted into Discord. Okay, we're in Discord US 100. That's it there. So back to the charts. As I explained in my last video, we're looking for market to look to draw on liquidity under this previous low over here on the left. Look right. Okay, so we got a little bit of a touch, not much, and this area is my target area. Higher time frame is bearish. I look for an opportunity on the lower time frame with the trend. The 4 hour, here's what we're looking for with our particular strategy. This is a perfect example. The 4 hour we can see is clearly trending down. This is our cloud. We're trading under the cloud. This is the mean, this middle line. We look for the pullback into the mean. Look at that. Ticks all the boxes on the 4 hour. Okay, so this is our checklist. Go through it. So 4 hour stacks up. Well, the daily and the 4 hour stack up. Then we're going to go down to this time frame. This is a 30. Trading in the cloud is okay. Okay, so it's either under the cloud or trading in the cloud, no problem. And we've got our multi-time frame indicator giving us 5 out of 5 bearish, red across the board. So the 30-minute stacks up. So down into the lower time frames, we'll just go from, say, a 5-minute down. We've got this bearish order block on the 5-minute back here. In fact, we should mark these up because I want to show you a few things. 4 hour OB. It's kind of what I'm interested in. The 4 hour, the 1 hour. Okay, so you can see on the lower time frame this 4 hour. Okay, so down the time frames, the 5-minute. So here's the thing with this. On the 5-minute, look what we've got. This is always what we're looking for. We've got our dot telling us that we have a strong impulsive move, market's overextended. These red lines are giving us a divergence. So we've got a combo of the 5-minute dot, overextended, and divergence, right? And then what we're waiting for then is the market to trade off after the dot. So we've got that on the 5. Down on the 3-minute, we've got exactly the same thing here. The dot, the divergence. So I'm mainly going off these signals coming on the 5 and the 3. And then once we see these on this time frame, then I'm going to go down to the lower time frame, the 1 minute, to get a precise entry. And here we are. And so on the 1 minute, we've got this one. I'm more interested in the 3 and the 5-minute dot. That brings us to this signal here, fired over in our alerts log. And I'm generally waiting for this break of structure alert. I kind of got in a little bit early. This was our entry here. I saw that trading down, lower lows, lower highs. And so we're getting involved with this fairly early in the piece. So this is trading down now, heading into target 1. And what we'll do here is we're going to look to close 70% of our position around here. So what we'll do is we'll secure profits, and at that point we could leave our stop loss here and just leave it alone and see what we get out of it. If it comes back up and takes us out, it's still a winning trade, given that we've taken 70% at just short of 1-to-1 risk reward. Or you can pull your stop loss down. Notice that I have 2 of these. I've got a 0.5 target and a 0.8 target. Depending on circumstances, sometimes I will decide to close target 1 here and take my 70%. And in that case, I'll pull the stop loss down. And if that's the case, we can follow, see these dots on the cloud here on the 1 minute? We could follow those. These highs, that would be my stop loss. Okay, so we're using our indicators, getting some pretty good results. Join us. Head over to Discord. The link is below. And if you scroll up to join VIP here, got some history. I've got to add some more. We've had a ton of trades after this, but you can go back and have a look at our win rate. At the moment, it's reading at 84%. Go to my website. The link is here. It's tradingwithanthony.com. Over to the website, and from $10.95 a month. Seriously, guys, do the math. Quite a few people seem to be going for the lifetime once-off payment only. So with that, I think we might take our partial profits pretty soon. Have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.